Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will show you how to make super delicious desiccated coconut fry. This dish is so simple yet so comforting. You can enjoy having it with steamed rice or with naan or with roti, and I promise you will love it. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing and remember to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my future videos. On that note, let's get started.
Grind the coconut in a grinder until it is finely desiccated. If you do not have a grinder, then you can also desiccate it by hand. Next, heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. When the seeds begin to crackle, then add the thinly sliced onions and stir fry them until they turn golden brown. Now, a great tip to get the onions to fry quicker is to add some salt. The added salt enables this by causing the onions to break down faster. While the onions are frying, grind the 3 medium-sized tomatoes to turn into a puree. Add this tomato puree to the onions, which should have turned golden brown by now. Mix the onions and the tomato paste well and continue to stir fry it. Once the onions begin giving out oil, then you know it is done. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and again mix it all well together. Continue stir frying it for 5 minutes and then add in the desiccated coconut. Mix it all together for another 5 minutes. In the last 2 minutes, add garam masala to add to the taste. Here you go, the desiccated coconut curry is ready. Garnish it with coriander and lemon juice if you like. Enjoy eating it with rotis or with steamed rice.
Please do remember to give this video a like and also remember to subscribe to my channel to see similar content in future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care until we meet next time with another interesting video. Bye.